Dolly, this is Louis. Dolly, it's so nice to have you back where you belong. You lookin' swell, Dolly, I can tell, Dolly. You still glowing, you still growing, you still going strong. I feel the room sway while the band's playing one of our old favorite songs from way back when. So